this is Priyanka, and we are going to review the footage of my first day on track.
First day of level 1 track day. Just finished my warm-up run. Gonna do some warm-up. Quite excited. It's a new skill to learn. Track. Looking forward to it. All geared up. Ready for my day 1 on the track.
Oh my, that's brutal. That's my coach telling me that I have very shitty reaction time. Not something you want to hear on your first day on track. Oh my. I look so scared to take that turn and I'm like chopping the throttle. Such hesitation. Oh god. I look like an orangutan on that bike with that funny body position. I think I was so tired of having such a terrible day on track. It was not my day. And I finally settled for doing some fun poses on the track. Some days it's just not happening, and that day my main goal was to just push through it because, hey, we've paid a lot to be here for the session and we've tried to make our best to make the most of it. So somehow got through the day. I knew I had a terrible day on track, but I was not prepared to see these videos. Was day 2 any better? Stick around to check out.
Second day of track day. Body is a little bit sore, but trying to recall all the skills learned in day 1. Hopefully looking forward to a good session.
I do look confident for sure. I think after a terrible first day, I was thinking, what else can go wrong? I've done it all already.
Just done with my first few laps. Already I feel some improvements, a little bit of more courage on the track. Hoping to have a good day today. So the person riding in front of me, there was some instrument stuck in the back of his bike. It came flying off the bike. I saw that, panic braked and fell. So I'm off on the sidelines until my bike recalibrates, I guess.
Day 2, I felt I had a very strong start. I was able to incorporate all instructions that coach gave. Someday working in my favor after all. With each of these improvements, it kind of improved my confidence also overall, and I was finally able to do a little bit of, micro lean, you can say, in my last hour of the session. Oh, that's my hero shot. As a beginner, this really made me happy. I was so disappointed looking at videos from day 1. And actually, to be honest, I didn't see those videos until I planned to make this video. And boy, were they hilarious. My coach didn't show me the videos on day 1 because I think he knew it would discourage me in a way. Sometimes I guess fear gets in the way of us performing, and maybe that's not our best. It's okay to look awkward when you start out, but be brave and do continue going on. If I have to compare the mindset I had after my first session, because it didn't go as well, I was not performing at my best or what I wanted to be at. That night, when I was just doing my walk after dinner, I kept thinking to myself that how lucky I am to just have the opportunity to even learn something like this. So I decided to hold on to that feeling and just recall how it was to be on the track, to learn new skills, all the terrible. I tried to hold on to that happiness and live in the moment versus worrying about, hey, I did a pretty bad job. I think that really improved my attitude, when I went on the second day for the training. I went with a much more positive outlook on it and much less stress on myself to do better at it. Through pure joy and enjoyment, I think I was able to improve much more than I would by seeing this as something like a stressful activity or something I need to force. I know I still have a long, long way to go with improving on track, but I'm willing to put the work. I'm looking forward to have much more fun sessions, learning new things, and hopefully one day be good enough and be much more proud of myself.